What's the meaning of A S Hornby? A S Hornby. A S Hornby.
A S Hornby. A S Hornby. A S Hornby refers to Albert Sidney Hornby, a British teacher and lexicographer who is well known for his contributions to English language teaching. He was the author of the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, which has become a widely used resource for English language learners worldwide. The dictionary includes definitions, example sentences, and pronunciation guides for words commonly used in contemporary English. Hornby also authored several other books and articles on English language teaching and was considered a leading figure in the field during his lifetime. His work continues to influence English language education today.